Hey YouTube, what is going on? Today we've got the HP Deskjet 3520. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality in general, or a certain color just isn't printing, this is a method you can go ahead and use to go ahead and solve that problem and get back up and printing in no time. So if you notice here, these are the same ink cartridges that you get when you set up the printer, which is why it says set up there. So this person has been using dry ink, and that is basically all you need to completely mess up your printhead. So if you are running dry ink or low ink on any of your colors or black, I highly recommend that you go down in the description right now. There's a link down there where you can go ahead and buy some new ink. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is leave it like this. You're going to go ahead and turn off your printer. Okay, as you can see there, it's shut down, and you are going to go ahead and now you have access to be able to put some paper towel right under there. Okay, so you're going to get some paper towel, nothing fancy, and you're going to put it right under. All right, so next you're going to go ahead and you're going to want to get a syringe just like this. Now you can get this with a kit, a Printhead cleaning syringe kit. I'm going to leave a link in the description below as well. It's going to be the first link. You can go ahead and click on there and you can buy it off Amazon.com. It's also going to give you some fitments to fit right over these nozzles, which is what you're going to need. For now, we're just going to, for demonstration's sake, we're going to use this syringe here, and we're going to go ahead and go right over each color. Now, of course, if you have just a certain color that is having issues, you're going to focus on that one. But for the most part, you're going to try to get everything while you're already here, while you have it set up. You're going to try to hit every color there, okay? Now you can do this 2 to 3 times. The more the better. But if you've done this multiple times and it still isn't working for whatever reason, then you probably have a bigger problem. And I'll mention something at the end of the video here that will help you solve that problem. If you're having any other error code, something that's unrelated to the printhead itself, any type of error codes. So that's, as you can see there, it's all soaked now, and that's why you want to have this off, because you are going to then, once you're done, that's why I say you can do this 2 or 3 times so that you don't have to keep drying it out each time. You're just going to go ahead and suck out all of the excess solution. Then you're going to go ahead and dry it all down with a towel. Make sure that the connectors over here did not get wet at all. That's all you need to do. You're going to remove this this paper towel here. That's really all there is to it. Now, if you have your new ink, go ahead and put it right in. But if you're still waiting on the new ink, leave it like this. Maybe right before you put in the ink, redo that process. That'll give you the best results right there. And so if for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, I'm going to leave a link also in the description below for this printer and a similar one that uses similar ink, so that you have some other options. And in case you did have extra ink and that wasn't your problem, you're going to want to, I'm sure you're going to want to use that ink up and kind of get that value out of it instead of throwing that out. So that's a good option for you. So you've got a lot of different options, a lot of different methods that you can fix this. Again, if you have any other error message, it's going to be kind of tricky to fix that. But if it's an overall print quality, your ink is running low issue, it's very simple, and I highly recommend anybody try tackling this. So I hope this was helpful. Make sure to leave a like and go down in the description, get whatever you need. There's a lot of resources down there. Also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.